Meanwhile, Rahul, thanks for joining. Would you like to introduce yourself? Where are you from? And what do
Um,
you do?
yeah, I'm currently working in Chennai. I'm from Kerala.
Okay.
So I moved to Chennai only recently, 2 months back. I work as a freelancer, like some web development. Nothing. So I have just started. I worked as a freelancer for a while, and I have been to crypto since I think the last bull run, or since 2019, I guess. Uh, but I made a few investments, and also I tried learning development, but otherwise I haven't done anything serious with crypto. Just a few investments, and that's it.
Got
Um,
it. So, you've done trading before, or just you're new to it and want to know more, learn more about it?
yeah, it wasn't like it was back in I bought some chain link when it was around $3, 3 point something, and I watched it grow to like $52, around 52, and then I didn't cash out even now. That's all the trading experience I have. So I've been watching the space for a while. I just read about it. I just read whatever I can get my hands on. But otherwise, yeah, I'm not. I wouldn't call myself very knowledgeable, but yeah, I follow the um, like I'm better than a layman. That's all.
So that's nice to hear from you, Rahul.
Yeah, and also I am trying to get an entry level job in crypto, but I don't know how possible it is. I know the basics of Solidity. I've been learning it for a few months, uh, but again, I didn't get time to make a portfolio or any project or anything to put as a portfolio project or anything like that. So I want to try that also, but at the same time, I want to make some investments. So, but again, in terms of investments and all that, I need more experience and more knowledge. So I thought I hope to learn more in this talk. Yeah, that's all.
Oh, sounds good, Rahul. I hope this session will be helpful for you as well.
Yeah, I hope so.
We'll wait for some time.
Yeah, yeah,
Then
sure. Yeah.
we start the session.
Hey, Pantherman, how are you? That's Ajay. Is it Ajay or Ajay's? Uh, it's Pantherman, right?
He's on mute.
I think, Arvindan, let's start.
Mm, yeah. So
And meanwhile, others can join. We can start with the introduction and all.
sure, sure. So we'll go into the session. So talking about myself, I'm Aravindhan. So I'm a quant trader in the crypto space. So I am almost around 3 years of experience in the crypto space. So my role involves like spotting that trade based on the market conditions, and I'll be doing research regarding the crypto trading and analyzing the candlesticks patterns, and as well as the monitoring, and as well as monitoring crypto technicals and fundamentals based on the market conditions across exchanges. I will also be developing strategies in the crypto trading, and I made it to execution. So today we're going to see about the tools to begin in crypto trading. So talking about the tools to begin in crypto trading, so this is our first AMA session, by the way. So we are going to continue our AMA sessions each and every week. So here we are going to see the basics of the tools, like how to use the exchanges, how to use the platforms and as well as news aggregators like uh, the technical analysis tools. So we are just going to dive deep into that. Uh, so understanding the cryptocurrency. So when I say we say cryptocurrency, like cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency, like which has been built on cryptography. So in cryptocurrency, the major thing is there is no central authority. Like it's been independent, and it's built upon the blockchain, and it's built upon the blockchain technology for the transparency. Like there is no single entity who hold the cryptocurrency, so it's been independent. And if you're talking about the brief history of cryptocurrency, it has history since long. Like there has been lot of studies from the past regarding the concepts of crypto. But this created a boom when the Satoshi Nakamoto first found the BTC in 2009. That's back around 15 years ago. So that was a groundbreaking model when Satoshi Nakamoto found the BTC in 2009, because it was the first peer-to-peer concept model. That is, people will be able to buy or transfer BTC via peer-to-peer model. And basically, right now, what crypto has done into the world is enormous, because it has gained a lot of attention and adoption worldwide. So if we see everywhere in each and every country, people are using crypto for transactions, and the people are being there for trading cryptos across exchanges, and the demand has been increased exponentially over years, especially in cryptocurrency. And now, especially if you're seeing, there has been a lot of competitions for fiat currency as cash as well. Like if you're in India or you're US, you'll be using dollars or rupees. So there has been huge competition for this cryptocurrency, and people have been moving towards cryptocurrency over time. So how does this crypto work? So we have been asking the question, like these are cryptocurrencies, like how do they work? So because they have been working by just recording the transactions across all the nodes in a transparent manner. That is, we are cryptos are being able to decode all the informations. That is, it has data of all the records of transactions in form of nodes. So anyone who is outside, like say, I've been trading crypto on chain, let's say on Ethereum chain, and anyone from the Ethereum chain are be able to see the transparency. Like anyone can be able to see, oh, someone with the wallet address has transferred this quantity of Ethereum to a particular wallet address. So that is the major thing. That transparency as acting as a major thing in cryptocurrency. And talking about deep, like we may have public key and private keys. We'll look forward to it, like in the further slides. So benefits is talking about the benefits. Anything without benefits is not worth for long term, and there will be no benefits for, like if there are no benefits, it will be difficult for people to step in. The major benefits, if you're talking about cryptocurrency, is the low fees. Let's say you are in India, or in you are in UAE or in USA, and if you want to make cross-border transactions, you may be paying FT fees, especially if you are transferring dollars to INR or dirhams to INR or to Philippines peso. So the major thing about the benefits is like it reduces the cost rapidly. Like when you make a cross-border transaction between country, it makes you easier, much easier. Like to play like less than 0.1 percentage, less than 0.05 percentage to make cross-border transactions, and you may be able to buy or sell anything all around the world digitally. And especially if you are thinking about the store of value, like you are holding a gold, or if you are holding a real estate, it is considered as a store of value. That is, you buy a asset and you hold it for long term, so that the value of asset increases over time. So similarly, the cryptocurrency also has a store of value, and it has performed way better than gold on the real estate projects overall. So if you're moving towards the basic of crypto trading, so there are multiple things. So crypto trading in the sense, like more or less kind of buying and selling crypto. That is you make a transaction, you buy crypto at a low price and try to sell it at a high price. So this is one kind of this is a basic this is how a basic trade occurs. And the basics also includes interpreting chart patterns, like how you interpret a chart, and how you interpret like trading decisions. Let's say you want to buy Bitcoin, and if you're much interested in Bitcoin, you need to go and analyze the patterns, like what is the historical patterns and how it performed, like what is happening in the market. You need to know, because before stepping in, it's because you are putting your money outside your pocket, then you need to be much aware of all these stuff. So we'll be going to see the basics of crypto one on one, one by one. So this also includes like reading charts and interpreting market trends, because if you're going to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum or some other cryptocurrencies, you need to see the charts, because you may found the coin as more interesting, but if the charts are not looking good, then you may need to wait some time, or you may need to wait some stop loss on some other thing. So we are going to see one by one. And yeah, so here, if you're talking about the trading basics, as I said, like trading is nothing but you are buying and selling asset for a profit. Let's say you are owning a real estate or house. If you're buying a house or flat apartment in 2020, and if you're trying to willing to sell it at 2024, you would have made a profit. That is, you would have bought it at a lower price in 2020, saying that you will be gaining good profit in 2024. Similarly, in trading, you buy and sell crypto. But the major benefit about trading crypto here is the volatility. So you get a lot of volatility, and you get a lot of opportunities as well when compared to any other markets, like you compare stock markets or any other markets. So that is the major benefit of crypto trading. And if you're talking about the types of assets, so there has been multiple assets which have been associated in cryptocurrencies. You would have heard cryptocurrencies, tokens, and NFTs. So similarly, what is crypto? Like crypto is like kind of virtual currency, that is kind of BTC and ETH, which has been built on decentralization. Tokens are nothing but similar to cryptocurrency, but tokens are like digital assets which are built on cryptos. Like let's say you have Uniswap, which is a famous cryptocurrency, and let's say I just show you. So Uniswap is a kind of a famous token, and it has been built on like Ethereum blockchain. So there has been multiple difference between the tokens and cryptos. So the other thing is like NFTs. NFTs you would have known, like mostly like you would have gone over the internet, like Justin Bieber bought NFT and the like ape NFT and some other NFTs. So NFTs are popular, like they are being built on like ERC 721 standard. So they are kind of unique art. So if a person owns a unicode, not a second person or third person will be able to own the same unicode, because they have a unique standardization where we are being able to trade these NFTs across exchanges as well. So where to trade? So talking about the exchanges, there are two main things: centralized and decentralized exchanges, which we will see further. And market analysis, understanding the price trends. Yeah, as I said before, let's say you want to buy a crypto or token or any other asset. Just by seeing the token, or let's say if it's bullish, or you are hearing that the news that the token will be going good in the going bullish in the next few days or few months. Also need to interpret the market analysis, like you need to see the price trends, the price patterns, and everything. So these are the things which will be basic, and we will be breaking down into step by step manner, so that you will be able to understand easily. So yeah, so what is the do's and don'ts in trading? So if you're talking about the do's and don'ts, the major thing people do mistake is always people rely on other person's information, and they won't do their own research. So let's say you want to buy a coin and you are familiar. If you're not familiar with the coin and someone say go buy and this coin, then you need to be asking yourself like why I am going to buy this, because you need to know like why you're buying. If you're buying something, and even if you're buying with the small lots, let's say you are buying for $50 or $100 worth of trade, you need to know that why I'm going to buy this. So you need to start small, like even though if you are new to, you are familiar, you may need to start small, and while starting small you need to know, do your own research, like you need to see the candlestick patterns, you need to see the volume, you need to see the news, you need to see the approach which has been the market sentiment approach which has been going over the social media and all the things. Because only if you have a approach or you have a willingness to know these stuff, you will be having an edge over the other traders. Because trading is a very difficult thing, like I mean trading requires a lot of patience, trading requires a lot of plan, so we need to be in a disciplined manner to go and trade. So these are the do's, and if you're talking about the don'ts, we always like it's always good that you don't lose money that you can't afford to lose. Let's say you have a capital of only like $200 or $300. It's always better not to go on a single trade. Let's say on a particular day, coin has been pumping like 30 to 40% movement, and you are much like, even though your research everything says good, like you need to go towards the particular coin, but you need to know, you need to have a capital allocation. Let's say I am not going more than $100 in a particular coin, because I need to manage my risk efficiently. So that you need to plan wise, because if you are having each and every capital, having each and every eggs in one basket, it will be difficult for you in case if the market goes against your direction. So it's always better, like you may need to diversify, and you may need to have a plan before going to trading, like you need not go and avoid losses. So mostly what people do is like as I've seen, people do chase losses when they, when for huge quantities compared to their markets, like compared to their capital allocation. Let's say if you are allocated only $500 of capital, B, have a plan, like when you need to go to a trade, and at which price you will need to exit at profit, or if the market goes against the direction, you need to come out with a stop loss. So always having a plan is major, like pre-plan is a major thing in trading, and especially in crypto markets due to higher volatility. So talking about trading, so you may ask like why I need to trade. So what are the benefits in cryptocurrency trading? So the major benefits are like it has high potential, like it is a kind of high rewarding career over long term if you understand and interpret the market correctly over time. At the same time, you may also ask me like even if it's if as high returns, you may start quickly as possible. But at the same time, I need to say like it's always better to spend more time learning more stuffs, because there are always some stuff which we don't know or which we may not be familiar to. So that's the thing I said, like if you are going to start as a beginner, let's say let's say if let's say I don't know much about trading or nothing about trading, it's better to start small with $5 or $10 in the market, and to see how the market reacts, like how to make trading decisions, because these will help you attain financial skills for you over long term. And if you're talking about the cryptocurrency trading, with the help of the internet access, you have been able to trade each and every tokens or every any cryptos across exchanges. So this is a kind of huge benefit for everyone, like with the globalization or all the stuff, you have access towards everything, you have data which has been public. And talking about the data, like you have access to all the platforms, access to all the exchanges. So these exchanges and platforms are absolutely free. So what you need to do is like if you want to, if you are the passion or willingness to learn or learn a lot of about the cryptocurrencies and tokens, you may need to go to these platforms which I will be saying later in the call. So once you go there, then you will have a lot of familiarities. Like you may find yourself that you have gained a lot of knowledge, and with this lot of with this knowledge, you will be able to make better trading plans. So these better trading plans will help you to attain better trades in the long term. So managing a risk is also a major thing, because if you are talking about the benefits, most people are thinking about like trading is like it's, like very easy, like I just go in and get out. But the thing is like you need to kind of have a good financial sense, which will acquire over a period of time, and these skills will be with you forever. Like you won't forget these skills if you're like applying on the market, and if you're seeing like let's say you are doing good for like 2 to 3 months, and you are learning all these technicals and fundamentals, like how to approach the markets. So this will gain you or help you to attain like a flexibility or freedom over long term. So trading in the science, if you've seen, like it's been a much rewarding career over long term uh, if you are punctual and disciplined over long term. So here we are going to see about the toolkits that we may need to get started with, because any profession requires toolkit. Let's say if you're going to farming, you require some toolkits to do farming in your own field. Similarly, in trading, you need to have multiple tools, like you need to have wallets for holding your coins. You need to have access to exchanges. You need to have access, like you need to familiarize with the platforms, how to use the trading platforms, and aggregators, like kind of news aggregators, like how to interpret the news properly, and how to do simulation trading, because these are the things much helpful. Why I'm saying this as an high priority, because let's say you have a positive news. Let's say you are going to trade a Bitcoin, and suddenly 10 minutes before or 15 minutes before, you add a positive news. Let's say in United States, they have accepted BTC as an ETF, and the demand for BTC is going to go high. So these news will help you gain more knowledge to get into trade, and it will help you act as it will help you to get on a trade as well, like to plan effectively. So these are the things much efficient, like the tools are much efficient in case if you are going to for a trade. So let's say I want to trade crypto, but I'm not sure like what is the crypto exchange account. So I will just break it down into two things. So think like a crypto exchange. There are two types of crypto exchanges. One is like centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges. Okay, wait 1 minute. You may ask me like, I don't know what is the centralized exchange or decentralized exchange. I will break it down. Let's say in a centralized exchange, what we do is we want to buy Bitcoin. So what I do is, like, let's say I have a USD or Indian rupees. I will go and deposit my currencies in the centralized exchange. Let's say if I want to trade on Binance, then I need to have an account from Binance. So with the account I have opened, I need to go and deposit my funds. With the funds, I'll be able to buy whichever crypto I can. But if you're talking about decentralized exchange, it's completely different, and it's very easy as well compared to centralized exchanges, because in decentralized exchange, what we do is we don't have a middleman here. Like as of we talk about Binance here, we don't have a middleman in decentralized exchanges. What we have is we just have a terminal. In the terminal, we'll be having a wallet. Let's say wallet is considered. Let's say you have a own pocket of money. Think wallet also your own pocket full of money in a digital form. So you'll be having a wallet with you. With the wallet, you'll be able to directly buy and sell crypto when you have a matched buyer, when you have a matched seller or buyer. Let's say you want to buy crypto, you want to buy Bitcoin at $44,000, $43,000. And what you do is, let's say you have in your wallet, you have around 40,000 or 45,000 US dollars in your wallet. So what you do is you may go to the decentralized exchange. You may place buy order of one Bitcoin at 43,000. So once if someone is willing to sell 43,000 on the same decentralized exchange or different, sorry, I mean on any decentralized exchanges, your order gets matched. So this is a kind of very easy process because it cuts the middleman in between. So you may ask me like if you are depositing funds on Binance, or if you're depositing funds on any other centralized exchanges, anytime the uh, exchange may run out of money and they may abscond. So these are the major problems which centralized exchanges are facing right now, and there has been massive uh, movement from centralized exchanges to decentralized exchanges. I have seen many people who have been moving from centralized exchanges to decentralized exchanges for their safety purposes and as well as for security. And also they are not willing to give their wallet. They are not willing to give their funds access to someone whom they don't know. So that's way like decentralized exchanges are acting as a major benefit for traders, and especially it requires no regulatory requirements or no KYC, and it's been very secure. It's just you are controlling your own funds across online. Like let's say you are going to buy NFT or something, you are accessing your funds to buy and sell directly without a middleman or broker. So, talking about the secure wallet. So here I've been talking about the decentralized exchange, right? So in decentralized exchanges, you have been having your own secure wallet. Think like this is your own wallet where you will be having this is own online wallet where you'll be having while creating a wallet, you'll be getting public key and private keys. So these are the valid keys you will get, which you need to keep it safe for long term, so that no one have the access to your wallet to come and uh, to like the for hacking or some other purposes. You have complete access for your wallet, so you may go on to any exchanges or any places, any Web3 places, or any let's say you want to buy some tickets you want to buy some tickets where they allow cryptos. So you may go there completely with the wallet, and you may just buy with within a minute or within some 20 to 30 seconds. So these or the wallets are used for like the online transaction, which makes you much easier. That is you have been able to, which has been able to you have been which has been very easy for you, because you may, if you want to buy NFT from OpenSea, let's say you are holding fiat in your accounts or bank accounts, it will be very difficult for you to convert to particular crypto, because you need to rely on a centralized exchange. You need to convert your fiat to a particular crypto, and then with the crypto you need to go and buy in OpenSea or some other NFT. So it's a tedious process for you to always rely on centralized exchanges or or a centralized platform for conversion of your funds. So this wallet will be helping you for making the online transactions much easier, because let's say you have a fund of $1,000, and if you have you have if you have the $1,000 converted to USDT, and you may be holding these funds in your wallet, which will be very easy. Like if you are going to buy a NFT on OpenSea, you may go to OpenSea with the fund. You may need to connect your wallet, and with the funds you may be directly able to place orders. So these are the major benefits if you're talking about the wallet in a decentralized platform. And talking about the market analysis, this is the major part which we are required for market analysis. That is the trading view, because in each and every trader knows about this trading view platform, and this platforms helps you to analyze spot trade cryptos, or even other tokens, or even other assets as well. So this will give you a complete overview. This will have a complete historical pattern or something where you have access towards it. Like you may have different time frames, like from 5 minutes to 1 week to 1 month. So you can have a wider perspective, like what has happened in the past, and you will get the real time data like within 2 seconds or 3 seconds delay, within 2 seconds or 3 seconds delay. So this will be helping you for trading. So because if you are new to this crypto trading atmosphere, I will uh, ask you to go to this trading view terminal at first, because this has a lot of aspects. Like you may go and see the ideas. You may go and see the approaches. So you have a lot of people. That is a lot of big community over there, and especially crypto traders are using it much more efficiently, like the trading view. And sometimes, to be frank, these exchanges are way faster when compared to the centralized exchanges as well, like in interpreting the data. And talking about the discovery, also, I need to talk about the coin market cap or coin gecko. So this trading view or even the investing.com will be good for analyzing the crypto patterns. So for discovering, like, there are some platforms. So I'm just go through you the TradingView. So this is the TradingView terminal. So once you go to the tradingview.com/chart, you will be able to see a white space. If you go here for the search symbol, and if you just type in the crypto or token and any other thing, let's say I want to know about Ethereum. So I just go to the Ethereum, and if okay, yeah, here is the chart. So I can able to see all the things. So if I want to see the ideas, once again, so here you have the chart patterns, and if you want to have some indicators, we shall have, let's say we need to have 24-hour volume or any other strategy. So it's a complete platform where we can do all analysis in a sophisticated manner. And right now the trading view has been free, like the beginner version is free, where you'll be able to have one chart at a time. And if you want to do more analysis, let's say you want to draw some trend lines or chart, you can do everything from here. So this is the major thing aspect of trading view, and it has a lot and lot of aspects to get there are a lot of benefits as well in trading. Like you will get a lot of financial knowledge, especially in the technical aspects right here. So here is, if you want the link, I will share you. That is tradingview.com/chart. And if you're talking about the price discovery or as well as like crypto discovery, let's say you are new to crypto and you want to just focus on the momentum coins. Momentum coins in the sense you want to catch coins which are moving 20% or 30% movement in a day. So if you are, so this is your analysis or this is your view, then what you need to go is you may need to go to coin market cap. So coin market cap is the most used terminal in terms of the crypto world, especially for people who have been new to cryptocurrencies. So here you have complete data. So you can have fundamental view for cryptocurrencies right here. So once you go to coin market cap, if you go just see the ranking, you will have the all data. Let's say I am new to cryptocurrency and I don't want to trade coins which are not having a good market cap. Market cap in sense like I just want to trade big coins. Then you may just go here and you click market cap. Then you have all data here, so you can see what are the data happening. So this is just a brief overview I am showing you. So there are a lot of things associated with it. Like these data will be very much helpful for you. Let's say you see like Bitcoin has moved 6% in past 7 days, and Ethereum has moved 6% in the past 7 days. So these data will be helpful for you, and if you go in or dive deeply, you will learn yourself a lot, because it's always better for yourself to go to these platforms and interpret yourself, because once you go to these platforms, you will have a lot of knowledge, because you won't forget this. Because right now you can see the market cap is doing well, it's at the number one, and you can see what are all the exchanges it's been listed. And so I just don't want to go into deep. So this is just a basic course. As again, this is our first AMA, and we are going to conduct multiple AMAs each and every week. So we will dive depth regarding the same in the next AMAs. So coming forward, so these are the analysis of like TradingView and Coin Market Cap, and even CoinGecko will be helpful for price discovery, coin discovery, momentum based discovery, or any other thing. Like even based on volume, you can filter out the coins. So talking about the aggregators, these plays a major social media or news aggregators plays a major role, especially in fundamentals, because you may be thinking of buying Bitcoin or Ethereum on a particular day, but at the same time you may find news. Let's say there has been some news platforms. Let's say you have CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, or Crypto Panic, or some other news platforms has just popped a message. Let's say, oh, we have an important message. In this important message, Bitcoin is going to move almost like 20 to 30% in 2 to 3 days ahead of the major move. Then these news factors will be playing a major role, because as per the chart patterns trading, you will be saying like, oh, there may be a resistance in the future, but on this fundamentals, it is showing a good positive aspect for the next few days or next few days or the upcoming week. So you may have a wider perspective. Okay, technicals are showing a move and the fundamentals are showing a move. So you need to wait. So you itself will be having a basic approach of how to deal with the markets before getting into a trade. So talking about the newsletters, like Tegro has been launching weekly newsletters, and it's always ideal. Like I would ask you people to go and scan with your mobile phones right now, because you will be able to get the news as soon as possible. Like we have been keep on monitoring the markets and news, and we have been creating reports each and every 2 days or every week. So to keep you updated or to keep you know more information, and if you're more passionate about trading, and if you want to find any technical pattern from our side, then we are kindly ask request you to go to these, and we want you people to subscribe to this for more important informations as well regarding the same. So we are also having the Discord servers and all, so you may join the Discord group to know more about the trading, or to know more about how to use wallets and everything. So even if you're talking about the crypto Twitter, there have been people who have been talking more about the crypto, like uh, the Devilian, the Diffie villain, or the Hercules Diffie, and even on Reddit you may go to these uh, links to view more about the cryptos. But for now, like we ask you to scan the QR to know more information about the crypto and as well as trading for the long term, because we have been running a channel on Telegram as well, where we have been keep on posting the trading information or trading data right now. So coming forward to simulated trading platform. So you may ask me like, okay, I'm new to trading and I just want to just test it out. So, but I don't want to test it out with my real money. Then it's better to go with the simulated trading platform. So simulated trading platform is nothing but like a kind of platforms, like free platforms, where you have access to go and buy and sell with fake money. That is not realistic money. Like it will show the digits, but it be able to buy and sell. Let's say I just give you a link, so you may go to the tradingyou.com. So once you're going to tradingyou.com, if you scroll down, you may be getting the paper trading. So if you are new or familiar or new to crypto trading, then it's better to go here and play. Let's say I just opened a paper trading account on TradingView. If you don't know, just go to tradingyou.com, and below, if you scroll down, you'll find a paper trading. So I just want to buy Ethereum, one coin. Okay, this is not a tradable symbol. ETH So I'm just into a paper trading account. So let's say I'm a beginner and I want to test how the trading works. So I just give, okay, Binance one trade. Okay, so now you can see I just opened one trade, and this is completely unreal, but you will be able to learn a lot of things even before going into a trade. Let's say you are a beginner trader, you have been trading with only $10 or $50, and if you want to see whether you are able to manage your emotions well, or you need to see like how you are going to deal with the trade or stop loss, then it's always better to go and check with the paper trading. Let's say I'm going to take 100 longs, and whether I you will be able to be emotionally strong by seeing the P&L. It's always better to go to the trading you terminal and open a paper trading account. It's just within a minute you can create an account. So we can see like this is how account of, like if you want to close the order, you may create a sell order again, and you just place a sell order and just execute it. So here we gained almost like 76 cents in less than a minute. So this is how the paper trading works. So you will get a lot of knowledge about liquidity, and you will get a lot of knowledge about the spread difference, how buy and sell occurs. So when transaction occurs and everything. So simulated trading platform, I will ask you to go to the tradingyou.com, which is the best platform for beginners or as well as like intermediates to learn about paper trading or experience paper trading. So yeah, the best thing about is the paper trading is you will learn a lot without risking your own money. Because if you are even if you are new to trading, and if you don't want to spend the money for the first 1 month, in the first 1 month, if you want to learn only trading, then you may go to the paper trading account. And even you have some strategy tester, like if you have some strategy, like let's say you have some Bollinger Bands or volume strategy, you may test it out all for free. And this trading you terminal is absolutely free right now, if you are going for one chart patterns. And even in this free terminal you will get a lot of access, like you will see a lot of people posting publicly, so you will get a lot of ideas on trading you. So talking about trading bots, so these are the advanced things related to trading, which will be continuing in our further AMAs. But I just want to give you over brief of how the trading bots work. Like trading bots is nothing but like you are going into a trading, you are going into exchange and you are placing orders to buy and you are placing orders to sell. So similarly, what this trading bots would do is it will be automated. Like you will set a particular quantity, you will select a coin and you select a strategy, so this bots will be trading behalf of you even while you are sleeping. So these are the advanced strategy which you may or may learn in the further AMAs. But if you want to know more about the trading bots, it's always better to go and see like 3 commas or hummingbot. So these are the major trading bots, like third party based trading bots, where you may be able to create a account. And if you have a funding, if you have a once you have a funding, you may able to place automated trades. So these automated trades will be helping you really well, like especially like after, let's say you are making trades worth $100 in past 2 days. With these trades you can see like what are the fees you associated with, and what is the strategy when you logged in, when you logged out, what how much trades have been executed, like what are the quantities are not yet filled. So you get a complete stuff which in an automated way. So I hope you may go to 3 commas or hummingbot uh, for algorithmic trading, or as Rahul said, is interested in algorithmic trading, and he is also interested in these kind of solidity and other stuff. So if you go to hummingbot, you will find a lot of things associated with both trading as well as like kind of developing trading strategies, or completely blockchain based ecosystem. You will get a lot of idea about that. So I think hummingbot is also running a community on Discord, so you may go to their website. Sorry, you may their go to go and join their channel for more updates regarding, if you're more interested in this same. So getting started with trading. So the major thing is like, oh, you need to choose your own exchange as of you started. So this is the roadmap that we required while starting to start trading. So these are the things we saw right now in multiple slides. So to break it simple, just choose the exchange. Let's say you want to trade on Tegro, or you want to trade on Uniswap, or you want to trade on Binance. So once you choose the exchange, you just want to sign up a digital wallet. So digital wallets are nothing but like the secured wallet I have shown you. So this is a kind of a secure wallet. Like MetaMask is a kind of a wallet where you may be able to buy and sell crypto from your wallet. So think this is as your own wallet, but on a decentralized form. So let's say I'm here. So once I gave the web extension for MetaMask, so here you can see that I have tokens. Once again, yeah. So this MetaMask helps you to make your transactions much easier, much in much easier form, and as well as it makes the transaction much quicker. So it's just a one wallet. You may just need to create one wallet. The one wallet you can go anywhere around the trading space, or you want need to trade anywhere, any centralized or even decentralized exchanges. So once you have the wallet connected here, it's easy for you just to go and place a buy trade or sell trade. That's all. Your trade will get executed, and it's easy for you as well. So once you connect to the wallet, you need to select tokens. Let's say you have, want BTC or Ethereum. So once you have selected the token, and you need to have enter the amount of quantities. So let's say you want to trade only 0.01 or 0.001 BTC. So even then you may go and trade. Let's say if I want to talk more precisely on Tegro, they have been allowing trades to occur with less than $0.1 or $0.2. So $0.2 with roughly around 10 rupees or 50, with less than 10 rupees, you are being able to place trades on Tegro, and it's very fast. So you have been able to execute trades within fraction of seconds. So let's say you want to trade BTC for USDT within a fraction of seconds, you would have got BTC. So once it's done, you will get a confirmation from your MetaMask wallet. So okay, we have received a particular token, and it makes clear like okay, your trade has been successful. So this is a easier process, and easier process for trading. Yeah, to learn more about the same, let's say you want to know more about the trading, you want to learn more about the trading landscape, or to know more about the candlesticks patterns, to know sudden news like any quick news or sudden movements in the markets, we kindly ask you to go through these links as we keep on posting posts and updates, and we have been team working on this behind to keep you updated all the time, like 24 into 7. So it's better like you may go to these, you may take your mobile and scan this QR code to know more about, to know more details about the same. So yeah, that's all. So actually, I completed the session. So this is a Q&A session. So if you have any doubts regarding trading or anything related to crypto or Web3, you may ask me right now. Ajay and Rahul, you may ask me anything if you want to ask regarding trading or some anything if you have any doubts.
Okay, I don't have any question for now, but okay, the way I see it, you skim through the basics, so I'm looking forward to future talks where you will explain like there can be advanced topics, right? Like
Yeah,
I
yeah,
don't
yes,
know,
Rahul.
when we start talking about DeFi and all that, there are a lot more things which we can do than just buying and selling or all these basics. They are more complicated, more I don't know if it is lucrative, but yes, I guess so. So that's there. So
Yes.
I'm looking forward to future talks. Yeah.
Obviously, Rahul. Actually, as I said before, like this is a the beginner session, so just everyone wants to. We are
Okay.
creating a group of sessions. That is, for every week we'll be creating a AMA, and this is our first AMA, and we just wanted to everyone to understand,
Okay.
like even the beginners who don't know much about crypto, or they don't know anything about DeFi or anything about wallet. So we just created this AMA for the same. But sure, like
Okay.
uh, we are going to do a lot of we are going to get a lot of content for the second and third AMAs, that is in the next week or the week after. So we are going to discuss a lot. We are going to go in depth so that you will learn a lot, and it will be an interactive session as well. Like you will enjoy the learning as well as by the same.
Okay. Do you have any recommendation for which exchange should I? I'm I'm not asking you if you endorse any exchange, but do you have any recommendations or suggestions regarding that? Right now, I have
Yeah.
only tried Wazirex and I transferred some coins to Binance, which I did it back when it was free to transfer it.
Okay, so I would say like you may go for decentralized exchanges like Tegro or Uniswap. So Tegro has been doing good right now. Like if you are holding, let's say, I'll share my screen. So this is the Tegro platform. So you may be having multiple coins here, right? So if you want to make trades, let's say you are making trades with let's say $10 or even $20, you may go to the Polygon chain right here. So you may just need to set up a wallet, which is easier process. You may also go to YouTube how to create a MetaMask wallet. It's just a like 5 minutes to 7 minutes video, so you can see how to create a wallet here. So once you connected the wallet here,
Okay.
you will be able to directly trade here. Let's say you want to trade a Matic or some other coin. just search for the same, and you just need to go for buy option. So it's just easy thing. And especially I would recommend you to go on Polygon chain if you are trading in small lot size, because on Polygon the fees are way lower. Like you will be paying less than half a dollar to make a trade right here.
Okay. Okay.
And even if you are going for centralized exchanges, like there are multiple exchanges like Binance or WZX, on many good exchanges out there.
Okay.
But if
And
you are, if you
regard.
are new, and if you are want, I would recommend, if you are want to know more about the decentralized finance and especially about Web3 space, I would
Yeah.
recommend you to go to Tegro here, because once you come here, if you found, let's say, even if you're making one trade, you will see like how it works. So because whatever trade you makes, it will all have a transaction records. You may go to Polygon scan and you may view the trades. So you will find, you love yourself doing these trades, and there will be a lot of learnings for you if you are in DEX perspective,
Yeah.
decentralized exchange perspective. And we are going
Okay.
to deal like speak more about the decentralized exchanges in our coming AMS as well.
Okay. Yeah, and also I am looking forward to include, like I wish you include topics related to taxes and all that, because there is a lot of
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah, Rahul. Yeah, that's a nice idea. Like, we already have a lot of content, so we will also include these taxes and stuff
like
in our
yeah,
further.
I'm not very knowledgeable about that, but I'm guessing that there are a lot of people like that who are like already there is a lot of uncertainty when it comes to taxing
Obviously,
crypto gains
uh,
and all that. So I wish there is a. I mean, even if you do a separate talk on that, it would be good. As I said, I have just skimmed through, like to the through the surface of all these topics. I'm just better than a layman. That's what that's what I would say. So
fine, Rahul.
I'm
No
looking
worries.
forward
Like,
to do all
we'll
that.
go on a step-by-step manner. Especially, I think our next AMA will be very much helpful for you. Like, we'll go in depth about DeFi, and as well as like we'll try to include this topic of tax as well, like how taxation impact on cryptocurrency trading. Because if we shall include the topic, but the taxation varies country to country, but we will have an overall approach. We'll try to include the topic in our further AMAs, so that it will be good for you as well. Like, you will also have a you will, it will also be an interactive session for you as well from your side.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, thank you, Arvindan. That was quite a helpful and insightful session for all the participants here. And we look forward to the future sessions. And thanks, Rahul, Ajay, Kevin, Kirti, for joining. Kirti, couldn't get your introduction. Would love to hear something from you, if possible. If you can introduce yourself. And meanwhile, as Arvindan said, see, the idea is that this is an initiative from new initiative from our side, where we're going to have an educational module kind of sessions, and we are going to have a series of sessions which will happen every Thursday every week, and we are going to, and all of these sessions will help you to level up in your crypto trading journey, keeping in mind that you are at a beginner level, or you want to level up and learn trading and become a pro. So that's how we'll be designing the future sessions. And hence the first session was only about the tools to get started with. Whatever Arvindan introduced, we'll be going deep diving into all those tools in future. And Rahul, as you rightly mentioned, you wanted recommendations on the dexes. We will help you with the dex onboarding in detail, with hands-on and
Okay.
practical onboarding in future session. So not to worry.
Okay.
Yeah. And
And
also wanted to,
yeah.
but no, please go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. So regarding the future talks or future updates, where will you be posting Like, how do I know that get the link? Or actually, this link I got it through a WhatsApp group. So, uh, do you
Yeah,
have a
so
Twitter account?
yeah, you can see on screen. You can scan the QR code or click on the link. You can join our Discord. You can join our Twitter. We'll keep posting the future sessions there.
Okay, Discord is the I see a Discord link for Tegro, right? Is that the one?
Yeah. So
Yeah.
we are a team from Tegro only. Tegro is a
Okay,
generation
yeah.
2 DEX. Yeah,
Okay, I was about to ask that. Yeah, Tegro. Is it so you work for Tegro? Is that
right.
okay?
I look after marketing at Tegro.
Okay, yeah.
So you
Twitter
can
is
join
Tegro
us.
5.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
can join our Twitter. You can join our Discord, and
Okay.
uh, and this today's was just the introductory session. We have a lot in mind for the future session. We are also going to introduce quizzes and quests in future, follow
Okay.
each session so that you where you can keep a track of whatever you've learned. But it will
Okay.
be really nice way of participating in these quests and then quizzes and get a chance to win rewards as well. So if you have any friends, anyone you know who also wants to learn trading from the beginner level, please let them know about the sessions and
Okay.
get in contact with them. Once we have enough participation, we'll start gamifying the whole process. It will be much
Okay.
more fun. It will be so. We want to inculcate this fun and networking. So we will try to have it. We will try to have future sessions more interactive and
Yeah, sure.
happy to hear feedback from you, from all the participants, whether it's on the topics you want, whether the timings and the days. I hope Thursdays 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. are good for you. uh, if you have any other suggestion, we are flexible, so let us know. And please spread the word amongst your friends, and so that we can get more people to participate in these sessions. And also, since you requested for taxation, and so Tegro's co-founder is Siddharth Menon, who also built WazirX. So he was one of the co-founder of WazirX as well.
Okay.
So what we can have maybe to in March, especially considering the Indian market. So time around taxation. So in the tax season, we can have one of the sessions, exclusive session on taxation by Sid. He can deliver the session, which will be really helpful for all, especially the traders and investors in India.
Okay. And also, do you like these online meetups? Do you hold any offline meetups like all the weekend or?
Not yet, but we are starting very soon this month or next month.
Okay.
Uh, since you mentioned, I think you mentioned you are in from Chennai, right?
Yes.
Yeah, but that will happen on. We are going to start it from colleges, some of the
Okay.
colleges in Chennai, Bangalore. So we are in the process of designing that, and we'll start executing very soon in maybe Feb or March only. So we'll keep you posted. I think if you join our Discord and Twitter, you'll stay updated with
Okay.
all the meetups and sessions that we are holding.
Okay. Sure.
Also, I hope Pantherman Rahul, uh, you all guys, the time is okay, 6 to 7 p.m. Thursday. Since this is our first session introductory, okay, Pantherman. Ajay is saying yes. Rahul is just
Uh, to be honest, actually, this is um, today I was free to attend, but I'm not sure if this timing is okay for me. I'm not sure. I mean, but I'm just not sure. Maybe if usually this time from 6 to 9, I will be busy. Up to 9, I will be busy with work. But today I was free, so that's why I attended. I'm not sure about the next week, but I would prefer if it is in the afternoon, if
Okay.
it is okay with everyone else.
We kept this timing considering everybody works from morning till
Yeah, I
evening.
understand. Yeah.
So it was the other way round, but we'll try as we get more participants, we'll get more feedback. We'll try to be flexible for all. We'll try our best. Cannot promise you right now.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Even if it's weekend, actually, I'll be free in the morning. So if if you hold the meetings over the weekend, if it is in the morning, it will be fine. But I think I'm the only one who has such a preference. I think this is going to go well with everyone else. So I'm totally okay if you hold the meeting in the evening, but I will catch up.
Thank you so much, and we hope to see you in our future sessions. And as I said before, please try to get more of your friends and anyone in your network who also wants to learn, because this is one of our initiatives, and we just got started with it, and we want to make it more exciting, more interactive, with more participation. So
Yeah,
look forward to see you in future.
yeah, sure.
Um, that's it. Thanks, Arvindan. And Rahul, if you have any questions, anything, and Pantherman, if you have, feel free to drop it on Discord. Maybe you can DM
Okay.
me. Anyways, I will also my I am available on Telegram. You can also DM me on Telegram at the rate Aditi Sani, just in case.
Telegram. Um,
Also, Rahul, do you can I have your mail ID so that because every session will be automatically mailed to you.
okay.
If you
Um,
can drop us in the chat, that will be helpful.
yeah, sure.
Hey, Arpit.
Hello. Sorry. Like actually, I'm traveling, so there might be a noise in the background. I have to mute myself.
Our session just got finished, but happy to see you, and would
Oh,
love. No worries. Would love to have your introduction, so that we'll just brief you so that you don't miss any of the future sessions. Where
okay,
are you
got it.
based
Sorry.
currently?
So actually, I'm working as a data scientist. Hi,
Okay.
hi. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you.
Scientist in one of the development arms. So mostly my work is around doing the macro analysis, leveraging machine learning and statistical methods. So that is very much concentrated on that. And
I'm sorry, Arpit, your voice is not clear. It's a bit choppy. And but Arpit, we just got started with our introductory session today. We are going to have a series of webinars on trading that will help you level up in your trading journey. So whether you are a beginner or you are already trading, the today was just a
I,
beginner session, and we'll
I'm,
advance to other. Sorry.
I,
Also, Arpit, I can't hear you, but can you hear me so that I can just
yeah,
quickly.
yeah, you are audible. Yeah, you can briefly introduce me with your statement from also.
Yeah, no worries. No worries. We are going to have weekly webinars every Thursday, 6 to 7 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Okay.
so this will be around trading only, keeping in
Mm-hmm.
mind the starting from the beginner level towards the advanced levels. We are going to deep dive into each topic and each level in detail in
Mm-hmm.
future sessions. So we'll send you the invite for future as well, and for the future sessions. And for this, we'll send you the recording. And we hope you don't miss it in future, and look forward to have you in our next session on next Thursday. Just wanted to know from where did you get to know about the this event, the webinar? Yeah, sure. Thanks, Panther Man. Thanks for joining. See, see you in next session. Uh, Thanks, Rahul. Look forward to see you in
Thanks,
next
Ramya.
session.
Yeah.
And thanks, Arpit. I'm sorry I cannot hear anything from you or from your side, but we'll keep you posted. If you can hear me clearly, on the screen you can see our Discord and Twitter. Okay, from Telegram. So you can join our Telegram, sorry, our Twitter and our Discord, where we'll be posting about our next weekly session, and you can join us there. Um, and I have your mail ID already. We'll keep you posted. No, no, nothing required. You just have to attend. So thank you so much. Thanks everyone, and we'll see you next Thursday, 6 p.m.
Thank you, everyone.
Thanks, Aravindhan. Thanks, Rahul. Thanks,
It is
Arpit.
30
Thanks,
minutes.
Kevin. Thank you.